What if I told you that you can achieve career success, start 30 businesses, and live life on your own terms, all without a college degree? Let's turn those lemons into gems together.
Welcome to Whose Tea TV.
Whose tea is it really?
Is it mine?
Is it yours?
Is it theirs?
Or is it ours as a collective?
Whose tea is it really?
Here's your channel host, Miss T.
In today's video, I'm here to share my personal journey of building a career outside of the traditional college route. I started working in home care and nursing homes, gaining tons of hands-on experience very early on. Eventually, I spent 22 years working in a doctor's office, moving from a file clerk to a critical position in medical billing and coding. I was darn good at it too in the beginning, guys. I'm not going to hold you. But like many of us, I felt stuck in that 9-to-5 grind, and I knew I had a bigger purpose. Following the path that I got called to do by a higher power, I ventured out on my own. I started 3 LLCs. I found success through sheer will and determination. Now I'm here to share how you can carve out your path to success just like I did, if you want it. Society often tells us that a college degree is the only way to achieve career success. For some, that may be true, but we're led to believe that without it, we'll never rise above specific job roles or financial limitations. But times are changing, and so are career paths. My story proves that success isn't only for those with degrees hanging on their walls, but I do have things hanging on my walls. But it's about being willing to put that work in, adapt, and stay focused on your goals, right? Today, we'll explore how alternative career paths can lead to stability and fulfillment. So there's some main points here. Skill development. Skill development is one of the biggest keys to success without having that college degree. While working in home care and nursing homes, I gained valuable experience in patient care, management, and much more. Then in the doctor's office, I didn't just stop at being a file clerk. I learned everything that I could from front to back. I learned administrative tasks. I learned the medical billing and coding. And eventually, I became an essential part of the team. Building a diverse skill set allowed me to move up the ladder despite not having that said degree. Now, too, let's talk about networking. As I progressed in my career, networking played a crucial role. The relationships I built with my colleagues and the physicians and the patients opened up opportunities I wouldn't have had otherwise. Networking isn't about just knowing the right people, even though it helps sometimes. It's about showing up. It's about being reliable and forming those genuine connections. It's about building trust, which often opens doors faster than any diploma can. Now, alternative education methods. Although I did not attend college, I never stopped learning, guys. From on-the-job training to online courses and industry certifications, there are so many ways to gain knowledge and expertise outside of that traditional classroom. Just look here on YouTube. When I decided to venture out and start my business, I dove into the entrepreneurial education, meaning researching from everything from legal requirements to business marketing. There are endless resources at our fingertips today that we did not have yesterday. It's about leveraging them to your advantage. Now let's talk about taking control of your career path. After years of being in that 9-to-5 grind, I felt pulled into something that was like way more significant, that aligned with my purpose. Then I started those 3 LLCs, each one designed to reflect my passions and my strengths. And it was all by faith and strong will and determination that has continued to keep me going. Now I'm living on my own terms and pursuing what truly mattered to me, which is you. So here's a little personal anecdote. I remember being a file clerk like it was yesterday in that doctor's office. Initially, I felt invisible, but instead of staying stagnant, I made it my mission to learn every aspect of the business. I mastered that medical billing and coding, and I became a trusted part of the team. This experience showed me that no matter where you start, you have the power to rise up as long as you're willing to put in that effort. Now let's talk about a few success stories here. Many successful entrepreneurs and industry leaders have paved their paths without college degrees. Richard Branson, founder of Virgin, and Sarah Blakely, founder of Spanx, built empire through persistence and grit. They, like myself, didn't take the traditional route, but still found incredible success. Now here's a data point. According to a report by Georgetown University, nearly 30 million good-paying jobs are available to those without a college degree in the US of A. This shows that college isn't the only route to financial stability and career success. I know there's going to be some counter arguments. A college degree is necessary for specific fields. I agree. Industries like medicine or law. There are many other career paths where the hands-on experience and continuous learning can be just as valuable. A degree might give you a head start, but it's not the only way to the finish line, if you get my drift. For many, college comes with significant debt, and it does not always align with their particular career goals. Success depends on passion, perseverance, and willingness to learn than a formal degree, right? In conclusion, building a successful career does not always require that college degree. It requires that hard work that I talk about all the time, adaptability, and your commitment for self-improvement. Whether you're learning a new skill, expanding your network, or venturing into entrepreneurship, there are many paths to success. My journey from home care to founding 3 LLCs proves that you can achieve great things on your own terms with the right mindset and determination. Mindset and determination. Remember that. What's your take on building a career without a college degree? Have you taken that non-traditional path, or are you considering it? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want more tips on career development and entrepreneurship, check out my next video, where we'll continue to dive deep into strategies for succeeding in today's evolving job market collectively. Until next time, keep on sipping.
Thanks for watching Boosty TV. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We like to know your thoughts on today's flavors.
Who's Tea TV, where we sip and spill all the latest flavors of life, news, and everything in between. Until next time, keep on sipping.